Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to download Battleground Mobile India and install it successfully into your smartphone without pre-registering it with early access. I was very inconsistent on this channel. I will be consistent now onwards. Please support me and motivate me by subscribing to my channel. I will upload some more interesting videos for you guys. Let's jump into the video.
Perfect.
Firstly, you have to download Z in your mobile to extract the OBB file. It will be available on the Play Store. I will explain it later, just install it. Then go to the description section below. You will get two G drive links. First link for the APK, second link for the OBB file of the Battleground Mobile India. Download both the files from Chrome. You will get the downloaded files in the downloads. Just tap on the APK and install the app. Now go to Z app and click on downloads and find the zip file of Battleground Mobile India and just tap on it. Then select the option extract here and wait for a while. Extraction process is completed. The extracted file will be showing above. Just long press on it, copy it and click on the storage. Go to device storage and find Android folder. It will be at the top, and then go to the OBB file and paste it here. That's it. Now you are ready to go. Now let's enter into the game. It gives warning that it's not a real world based game. Now it's preparing resources. The game provides two types of resource pack. I will select low specs resource pack. You can select HD resource pack if you want, it's your choice. Resource pack is successfully downloaded. Privacy policy pops up. If you want, you can read and accept it. After accepting, you will go to the login page. I will get login through my Gmail account. You can get login with Twitter as well as Facebook also. Here comes intro. You can skip it. You can create your player and proceed. Press yes if you are above 18 years. Let's start the gameplay.
This is a simulation game
Again the
virtual
warning
world
pops up.
and does not represent real life. Please play in moderation, take frequent breaks, and play responsibly.
If you have enjoyed this video so far, then please like this video and subscribe to my channel. The game exactly looks like PUBG. Watch the gameplay. I will share my thoughts at the end. The gameplay was very smooth. I didn't notice any lag. It was very much stable, guys. That's it for today, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's meet you in the next video. Till then, take care, guys.